Hello again! Welcome back to your PYP writing for Friday. Now, because it's Friday, I figured we could do something a little different and hopefully a little bit more fun. So first things first, let's talk about our target for today. We are focusing on environments. If you already know what an environment is, that's incredible. So we're just going to kind of dive into that a little deeper. I know we did some work with that between November and December, just kind of talking about the different environments and what is included in an environment. So today we're going to kind of dive into that a little deeper. So our target today, remember this target, we're thinking to ourselves, anytime we see this target, it's like someone saying, I can. This is the target, it means I can. So I can discover the importance of an environment for organisms. This is not just the importance of an environment, it's the importance of an environment for organisms. What role does this play? Okay, and every time we see these little check boxes, that means this is how we're showing that we've got this. This is how we're going to show the teacher, boom, done. So I will show this by defining the word environment. What does that even mean? By looking at and learning about several different environments, by illustrating the different environments to help me remember facts about each one, and then posting my hard work to the Seesaw. These are all very important, but in order for your teacher to really get to see that you understood everything, that last one is probably the most important. I want to see that you know how to do this. That's the whole purpose of this target. So today, you're going to need a pencil. I just have like a pencil box. But you need like crayons or colored pencils or markers, something to color with. If you don't have it, a pencil will do fine, but see if you can find at least a few colors to color with. And your week 1 packet. More importantly, you need this. This letter here, letter E. Okay, now I would like for you to cut it out, but I'm just going to be honest with you. I forgot my notebook at school. You can do it right here if you would like. I'm just really interested in the picture. Okay, so whenever you're ready and you're done, you're going to show me the picture. This is a letter E. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. This is the letter E. And you're going to see why that's super cool here in a little bit. Okay, so make sure before you continue the videos, you have all of your materials.